Hi, Dennis here, and on today's agenda we have the Hisense freestanding cooker, the ultimate solution for your cooking needs. This 60cm stainless steel cooker with 4 gas hobs and 1 electric oven is definitely worth checking out. Well, the gas hob has cast iron pan support, which is great for cooking on the highest of heats. Sturdy and stylish, these cast iron supports are cleverly designed to move pots and other cookware easily from one zone to the next. With one-hand ignition, using this hob is extremely quick, simple and efficient. Simply press the knob down and rotate it to the desired level with one hand, keeping your other hand completely free. And don't worry about the safety, thanks to the automatic gas stop safety feature. If the flame is extinguished as you're cooking, whether it's because of liquid spillage or it just gets blown out due to a draft or wear, gas stop immediately shuts down the gas supply. Now, moving on to the oven. This one offers 11 different cooking methods, all relying on even bake technology for reliable performance and always perfect results. Because of the cavity size, a whopping 71 liters, its special design, you can bake on 4 levels simultaneously and flavors won't mix thanks to the special air circulation system. Also adding to the optimal cooking results with supporting heat reflection is the extra durable enamel coating of the cavity and all the trays that come along. Besides some classical methods such as cooking with lower and upper heater, this oven also offers 2 excellent special programs. First of all, the air fry technology for an oil-free, healthier preparation of fried food, and of course, pizza mode for, well, you've guessed it, making the best pizza in the world. Thanks to Steam Clean function, cleaning your oven has never been easier. Just add some water in the deep tray, activate the function for 30 minutes, and after it is done, just wipe down the interior. Besides easy cleaning, this oven also has soft close and soft open doors, where only a gentle touch is needed for this door to fully close without making a sound. Another feature worth mentioning is also the powerful cooling system, which is designed to keep the oven's exterior cool. The newest Hisense cooker will upgrade your kitchen and provide you with the best cooking experience. With a range of impressive features designed to make cooking easier and more efficient, this cooker includes everything that you need, and it's even made in Europe, guaranteeing a sleek design and, most importantly, reliable performance. Thank you for watching.